Hello, everyone. How are you today? I am Ryan J. McCrary from the McCrary Financial School. How are you doing today? I hope everyone's doing well. Today, I just want to talk about investing and why. If you're not an investor, if you don't own stocks, if you don't own Bitcoin, if you don't own something, why are you not investing? Let me know. It's Thursday. You're probably about to get paid tomorrow, or you might get paid next week, whatever it may be. So if you get paid tomorrow, and you are not being smart with your money, you're not saving at least 10%, you're not investing, you don't have Acorns app, you're not buying a share of stock, you're not putting your money into a mutual fund or an ETF, why not? Let me know. Why not? If you can pay rent, if you can pay your car note, if you can pay utilities, your water bill, of course, these are necessities. You have to pay that. But buying stocks, having assets, investing should be a necessity, just like rent, car note, student loans, or whatever type of bills that you have to pay. When you're not investing, you are leaving money off the table. You are losing money. You are just throwing away money when you're not investing. And there are a lot of misconceptions about investing. Like, number one, you need a lot of capital. You need to, have to pick the right stock. No, those are misconceptions. I've worked in corporate America for over 5 years, talking to multi-million-dollar clients on a daily basis. Literally, different millionaires every day. They didn't have to be multi-millionaires. They could be just work a regular job and have make 50, 60, 70,000 a year. But they may have $1 million in a 401k, $1 million in a 529 plan, or have multiple different mutual funds worth hundreds of thousands of dollars chilling like it's nothing because they know the importance of investing. They know the importance of investing. So, like I said, I've worked in those industries. Talk to all the Fortune 500 mutual fund investment, life insurance companies. Talk to the reps. Talk to lawyers and doctors and accountants and estate attorneys. I've talked to these people on a daily basis. 98% of them were not black. They know what they're doing. So we, as African Americans or other people, why are we not investing? Why are we not investing? Why are we not investing? You are losing money. You are losing money. So people are scared to invest because they say, oh, I might lose that money. That stock might go down. But when you go to the mall and you buy those sneakers, that's never coming back. That's never coming back. Yeah, you get, an emotional high. You get to quote unquote look good. You got the flight Jordan. That's good. Absolutely. In my younger years, I did that, growing up 12, 13, when you didn't have to wait in line to buy Jordans. You could just go to the store and buy Jordans. That's why I would never wait in line for a pair of Jordans because I'm from the era, I'm not that old, but I remember when you could go to the store and buy the new Jordans, like when he got game, when he just went in the store and got the new Jordans. You know what I'm saying? Like, I remember that. So I'm never going to stand in line for Jordans. But if you do, that's okay. But also buy stocks. Why are you not investing? So that's what I want to know. Just why are you not investing? What is it? Do you, don't want to know what stock to pick? That's fine. There's a book called A Random Walk Down Wall Street. You can read it, and it talks about how they did a study with monkeys and the best analysts on Wall Street, and they would throw darts at the wall. Monkeys would literally throw darts. Wherever the darts landed is the stocks they would pick. They will put the monkeys up against the best analysts on Wall Street to see whose stocks would perform better. And the monkeys won more than half the time. That is because it's the random walk hypothesis, meaning you cannot predict how a stock will perform. No analyst, I don't care what show you watch, CNBC, Fox Business, whatever you watch, The Root, wherever you get your information. No one can predict how a stock will perform. So do not get caught up in trying to pick the right stock. If you're trying to pick the right stock, if that's what's holding you back, then you don't know about investing. Then that's investing 101. If you say, I'm not investing because I don't know what stock to pick, should I pick that? You're looking at it the wrong way and you're setting yourself up for failure. Don't worry about that. Go and pick something. I do not give stock advice. Do not ask me what stock to pick. Do not ask me for stock recommendations or, what to pick, what should I pick. I do not do that at all. There are SEC, Securities Exchange laws, FINRA laws. I am not licensed to, and I'm not in a position, nor do I want to tell you what stock to pick, to bet on, to hedge. No. All I'm saying is get in the game. I'm in the game. So I may buy Facebook and then Netflix, then Apple, then Walmart, then Target, Snapchat, Whatever, how I'm feeling today. This is a t-shirt that's made by Gildan. I might buy a share of Gildan. Why not? Nikes, I like Jordans and Nikes. I might buy a share of stock in Nike. Why not? Why not? I want to Netflix and chill. I'm going to buy Netflix. I'm on Facebook. I'm going to buy Facebook. I'm on Twitter. I'm going to buy Twitter. I want to own the whole stock market. I want those dividends when they come in monthly, quarterly, whatever the stock pays. So if that's what's holding you back, get that out of your head. If you think you need a lot of capital, you do not need a lot of capital. Get that out of your head. Get that out of your head. There's apps out there like Robinhood, Stash, Acorns, Betterment. There are millions of apps, hundreds of apps, where you can invest for as little as $5. $5. In the years before, they didn't have apps. You probably had to maybe spend a lot. I don't know, the stocks were probably cheaper back in the day anyway, so it probably wasn't a lot. It's probably always been a misconception. But now there are apps where you can buy a share of stock for $5. Literally $5. So there's no excuse. If you don't want to do that, you want to get more, you want to get a TD Ameritrade or E-Trade, Scottrade, do that. You can do that. And then buy just one share, 2 shares at a time. You got an extra 100 or 200 bucks. Buy 2, 3 shares of something and let it sit. You got an extra 300, buy Tesla. You got an extra 100, go buy Comcast, something like that. And just do it that way. Or you can do it through the apps for $5. You work at McDonald's, you make $10 an hour. When every time you get paid, do $5 every day or $5 every week. And that will build up. $5 a week is about 20 bucks a month. That will add up over time, and then your kids will have assets. You will pass money down. Your kids won't have to start in the same place that most of us started at. Not, having assets and parents that own stocks and stuff. No, it didn't come from that. But our kids can do that, and we have the opportunity. So with all this information I just portrayed to you, if you're still nervous about investing, don't want to invest. I'm not telling you what to pick, not telling you, invest or, try to, make you do something you don't want to do with your money. No, I'm just saying the information is out here and you are losing money. So if you say, I want to be empowered, I want to build wealth, I want my kids to have more than I had, I want access to capital, access to resources, I want residual passive income, money works for me when I'm not working. Who would not want money working for them when they are not physically doing anything? So if you want that, and I've laid out this information, now it comes to mindset. Mindset. So what is holding you back from doing the things that you should be doing? What is holding you back from investing? If you have a steady job, a 9 to 5 or whatever, regular job, whatever, you have a steady income, why or what's holding you back from investing or putting some money away for your kids? You have me as a resource to share with you information of what I've learned over the years. There are millions of other resources online, and there's so many different places where you can go to learn. So what is holding you back? What is holding you? Do you want to just live a regular life and have your kids start over every generation? Is that what you really want? Because your actions speak louder than your words. You may think you don't want that. You may say you don't want that. You may say, oh, I want my kids to be empowered and have wealth and just not be in a position where I'm in. Okay, you may say that, but what are you realistically doing? What are you realistically doing? It's Thursday, so tomorrow when you get paid, what are you doing? What are you doing with your money? If you're not investing, why not? So that's it for today. For more information, visit the McCraryFinancialSchool.com. That's the McCraryFinancialSchool.com. It is free to enroll, but we have a brand new course, how to monetize social media, how to change your social media platform from personal, how to change your social media platform from a personal page to a business page where you can really make money. You can really make money. It's people making hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars a month on social media. I've got so many resources to learn, so many connections, made a lot of money through social media. So I want to teach you how. If you want to learn, it's back to school special, back to school till Labor Day, 35% off the course. 35 off is the code, 35 off is the code. Go to the McCraryFinancialSchool.com. That's the McCraryFinancialSchool.com. And like I said, if you are not investing, why not? Why not? What are you doing? I want to win. Do you want to win? I want to win. So if you say you want to win, you think you want to win, let's do it. Put this money away for the babies. Let them have stocks and bonds instead of just sneaks and toys. Stocks and bonds instead of sneaks and toys. That should be the hashtag. So I'm focused on building wealth, building for the community. So if you want more information, visit my website, McCraryFinancialSchool.com. That's the McCraryFinancialSchool.com.